Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Yes.
we were talking about this one of the diagram. Let me open it. So most of you have got it correct. So but I'll be giving you the perception how ingenious things. Now what we do, we have a cuboid which is of 120, 50 and 25. So let us go, and first what it will do, as I have told you, the two way to proceed. First you can go for front view. One is the without front view also. Now what I'm doing, it's a very simple. For that, it's not mandatory that you have to go for front view. So what you can do, let us consider this top view. Let us consider the top. Let us go for sketch. Now what I will be doing, I am not able to draw over here. Yes or no? Let's see. It is tilted? Is it possible to draw? See this plane is tilted. Is it possible to draw or not? Yes or no? Is it possible to draw or not? Is it possible to draw or not?
এই কিউব থেকে টপ পোর্শনটা সিলেক্ট করলে তো চলে আসবে।
Correct. Top. Perfect. Next what I can do is I'll be going over here. This is the rectangle command. Rectangle. So what you'll be doing, you'll be clicking on this point and you'll be getting center point rectangle. I'm repeating, center point rectangle. It is a shortcut way. Click on the center point rectangle, then click on the center. Click on like this. Give anything. You don't need to measure. You have to give perfect right now. No, you don't have to do this over here. So after that, what you will do, you will be going for this one. Let us see what is given, 120 and 50. What you will do, go for the dimension, click on this one, and you will see that a new pop-up is coming, that is showing 167 point something. Just click over here. Just click over here. Don't click on the axis, it will show the angle. Fine. So don't click on the axis while doing this. Click over here and bring somewhere like here, and now write 120, if I am not wrong. Let us see. 120. Fine. 120. Enter. Next it is given that it is 50. So what we'll do, we'll again go from either this side or this side. Even for this one, it can be from this side or this side. So I'll be considering from this side. This is showing 71. Write 50. Press enter. Finish. Now what after that? It is given that it is given that the height is 25. What you'll do, you will go for this one, extrude. Click on the extrude. Just wait. What you'll do, you have to just it's only for better to show it in engineered way. So what you can do is go over here, write symmetric. It will be 25. Don't write 12.5, just write 25. Now what happens is that you can see that this portion is 12.5 and this portion is 12.5. Now what you can do, if you increase it, see, it is increased for 84.2 meters. So how you can increase it? You could increase by pulling upward or downward the this arrow. So this is you can do, or rather you can type over here 23. Oh sorry, 25. Sorry, 25. Symmetric. Press enter, or click on this tick button. Now see, this cube has been created. Fine. So what happens is that as per the diagram, there is one extension over here. What you can do is that there are two ways. Either you can select this portion, this thing. I'll be showing in two ways actually. First of all, let us show with this this top portion how you can do. Just click on the top. Just click on the top. Just click on the top. right, click on the view normal to. Now go over here. Now what you can do is that you can see that is it is given that from here to here there's no dimension. So you may be scared that sir, it is given that it is R8, how it has formed. Just ignore this one as if for now. Fine. Now I'll show right now only, but as if for now.
সে কি ইগনোর করতে বললেন?
এই যে R8টা, এই R8টা যেটা লেখা আছে R8।
আচ্ছা,
So you can see the width of this. How you can know the width of the this extension is R25, that is 50 mm. So what you can do, just go again go for sketch. So but remember, before going to sketch, let us delete the sketch. Before going to sketch, you have to make the sketch on the top. This is the first way. There is second way also where you can do this one. Just click on the top, right click, view normal to. So what you can do, click sketch, go over here, again go for the corner rectangle. Fine. Select start from any point. Just remember that it should start from this line. After that, what you will be doing, you will be taking this help of dimension, click here to here. It is given 50, that is it will be 25, enter. And what you can do is that from here to here you can just check it how much it is, 55. So what you can do is you go over here and type and write 50. What will happen here, in either side it will be 25. You can do this way, or you may also, there's another one way, you may also take dimension from here to here. There are a lot of ways how you can do. 25, enter. Again, it is given that it is having a thickness of 25 as it is written. So what you will do, you just have to click over here, just click on this line, don't click on this line, click on the edge, click over here and click on this line. You will get this dimension arrow. Click over here, again click 25, enter. Fine, complete. Till now it's complete. Go for extrude. Now what is the height? You have to consider 50 plus 25, 75. It will be 75. And remember to put it in blind, and don't put new, put it in add, because it's a single structure. You have to do it add. You are adding one material over another, so you have to add. So what you do, you click on the right on the tick mark, so you will get this one. Now what you can do, you can what you will be doing, the last and the second last point. After that, what you can do is that click over here, again click over here, click on the right click, give a right click and view normal to. So what you can do, go for sketch. So take a circle, just bring a circle over here, anywhere, draw any circle, don't hesitate to draw. So again, this is given that 525, just you are drawing the whole 525 at the center distance from the bottom is 50, 525. So what you can do, go for this one dimension, click on this one, it is showing 526. So what you do, 25, just click. Again click on the center of the circle and click on the edge. It is showing 49.42. Click over here, write 52, sorry, write 50, just like this one. Again it is given that 25. What you can do, again take circle, hover your cursor on this point, don't click, just move, just put your cursor, click over here right now, draw a circle, any circle, again go for dimension, It is since it is R25, that is the diameter will be 50. So what you can do, click here, diameter 50. So after that I'll draw a line. So always remember the line should be from the center. The line will not start from the center, but the thing is that the line you have to take the reference from the center, draw as if you like.
দুটো কনসেন্ট্রিক সার্কেল ড্র করলেন কেন? একটাই তো সার্কেল মানে হোল দেওয়া ছিল 25 mm রেডিয়াসে।
কিন্তু এটার উপরে তো একটা ইয়ে আছে, উপরে তো
হ্যাঁ, একটা আর্ক আছে। ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, then after trim the extra part. We don't
Okay.
need this one, we don't need this one, we don't need this one. Again go for this extrude. Here you have to be don't press on add, go for remove. Fine. And give since you are removing all this part, that means there just a minute, just give me a sec. So you can see that this there will be the upper part will, don't put blind, put through all. Now what is the necessary, what is through all, what is blind? You should remember blind depends on the, now observe, blind depends on the depth you give. If you write here about 10, it will just write 10. Now you can see it will only delete or it will only delete the 10 mm parts from the plane of drawing. If you write that means it depends on the depth or the measurement you give. Now if you change it from blind to through all, that means it will delete the entire thing and the entire material comes through its path. Is it clear to you people? Is it clear?
পিছনে স্কয়ার মতোটা কেন করলেন?
হ্যাঁ, বুঝলাম না কি বলে।
মতোটা কেন করলেন, মানে পিছনে একটা লাইন নিয়ে ওই সাইড দিয়ে গিয়ে ওখানে করলেন?
তোমার কথা
মার্ক করা বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
বুঝলাম না তোমার কথাটা আমি বুঝলাম না, তুমি কি বলছো?
লাইনটা যে করলেন না, যেটা ইয়েলো হয়ে আছে,
হ্যাঁ
ওইটা কেন করলেন আবার? ওটা তো না করলেও হতো।
দুটো আচ্ছা, এটা কেন কি এক্সট্রুড, যখনই এক্সট্রুড কিংবা ডিলিট এক্সট্রুড কাজ করছে, তো রিমুভ এক্সট্রুড কাজ করছে কিংবা কোনো কিছু এক্সট্রুড মানে ইউ নিড টু হ্যাভ এ ক্লোজড সারফেস, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই ক্লোজড ইট। বোঝা গেছে? only to close, because it should have a closed area. If it is not in a closed area, it will not work. It is the theory for every software, every mechanical software, every mechanical design software. বুঝতে পেরেছো ব্যাপারটা না বুঝতে পারোনি?
না, বুঝতে পারলাম না।
বুঝতে পারোনি? আচ্ছা, আমি বুঝেছি। না, আমি আগে দেখিয়ে দিই। আফটার দ্যাট জাস্ট প্রেস অন দ্যাট রাইট ক্লিক, ইট উইল রিমুভ। It will just remove. It will just remove. Fine. So after that, what you can see, let me show you the last step where you see that over here it's not the same as it should be. So what is there? It is written R8. It is nothing but your fillet. Well, what you can do? Go over here. Go on the fillet. Click over here. Fillet. Write radius 8. Pray again. Enter. Again you can do for the other side. You have to do for the other side. Go click on this one. Press 8. Enter. one of I think any one of you right now have asked me that, sir, what happens if I don't, if why it is necessary to have this closed surface? Is it very necessary to have it? Yes, it is very necessary. Let me show you. If I don't have any closed one, what will happen? Just see. If I just delete one of the line, just think that I have just deleted one of the line. If I have deleted one of the line I have deleted. Now just can you observe the difference? Can you observe the difference?
স্যার ওটা আবার স্কয়ার হয়ে গিয়ে ওপরটা রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার টাইপ।
That means for any part of deletion, that means for any of the command to work, you need to have a closed surface. You need to have get a closed surface, because they will not understand. Computer is not so much talented like us that it will it's not like talented like human being that it will understand, oh fine, this is what you need to do. So this will not understand. So they may think that the user may change the line from here to here, so why so they will not use their brain so much. So since we understand everything, so we have to do this one. Am I clear to you people? বোঝা গেছে কি বোঝা যায়নি? কেন এই জায়গাটাকে ক্লোজ করতে হবে? বুঝতে পেরেছো কি? হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা। নাও
স্যার আরেকবার বলবেন, বুঝতে পারছি না কেন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, বলছি। দেখো, আমি যদি এডিট করছি, আমি যদি এই লাইনটা মুখে ডিলিট মেরে দিলাম সাপোজ, ঠিক আছে, এই লাইনটাকে ডিলিট মেরে দিলাম, মনে করে এটাকে এখানে যা লাইন আছে সব ডিলিট মেরে দিলাম, শুধু আরেকটা ড্রয়িং করলাম যে আরেকটা আমার কাটতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, আমার হিসাবে আরেকটা কাটতে হবে। আর
ওই তাহলে রেক্ট্যাঙ্গেলের ওই ধারগুলোকে আমি করে কাট করে দিলেই তো হয়ে গেল।
বুঝলাম না কি করতে চাইছো, বুঝলাম না।
ওই যে সার্কেলটার যে আছে, মানে যে বড় সার্কেলটা আছে, ওর ওই ধারটাকে যদি আমি করে যদি কাট করে দিই,
মানে তুমি বলতে চাইছো এরকম করে দিতে, এরকম করে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
কি এত রিস্ক নেওয়ার দরকারটা কি? কেন বলছি, রিজনটা আমি বলছি। একটা রিস্ক আছে। রিস্ক বলতে এখানে একটা রিস্ক, there is a risk, there is simple risk. What happens is that sometimes if you cannot hit on this point, there will be an intersection. Got my point? If you cannot,
ওখানে একটা বুঝতে পেরেছি, ওখানে একটা ওই ডিফেক্ট হয়ে যাবে, তাই তো?
Exactly. So for that I always recommend draw the line. It is computer will do what else you say. Draw a line outside, draw this way, draw this way, draw this way, this way. It will delete the whatever particles comes in its path. Is it clear to you people? Is it clear?
Yes sir. স্যার বলছি ডিলিটটা করছেন কি করে? স্কেচটা ডিলিটটা করতে আমার অসুবিধা হয়, মানে ডিলিটটা কি করছি, এক্সট্রুড, ঠিক আছে, এক্সট্রুডে যাবে, মানে তুমি মনে করো স্কেচ করে নিলে, ঠিক আছে, একটা মিনিট মনে করো তুমি স্কেচটা করে নিলে, ঠিক আছে, স্কেচটা করে নিলে, ওকে,
sketch, fine, you have completed the sketch. So what happens is that you come for extrude. So what will happen in extrude? Let me show. Okay, so what happens in extrude? There are 3 points. That is, one is new, one is add, and one is remove. You have to just click on remove. It will, by default it will show add. Let me tell you, by default it will show you add, but you have to click on remove. Am I clear to you people? Click and
yes sir.
Then click on the
right click করব,
exactly.
না স্যার আমি বলছিলাম যে স্কেচ গুলো ডিলিট করছেন, মানে একটা লাইন যে ডিলিট করলেন ওই ডিলিশনটা কিভাবে করবেন?
আচ্ছা, ভেরি গুড। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। So you want to know about trim action, fine.
Yes.
So okay, let me show something. to delete it, just come to this scissor option that is termed as trim. Click on the trim, click on any line,
যেটা ক্লিক করব সেটা ডিলিট হয়ে আছে, তাই তো?
Exactly, যেটা click করে। Now let me tell you, there's one more function, very simple function. If you need to delete all this line at once, so what you can do, just select as you select in computer and say normal operation of computer, just select like this. You don't click on the trim, you don't have to use trim, just select like this. Fine, just select like this and press delete, just like computer, as you work in computer. It's not more than, it's very easy, it's not a hard thing to do. Clear? বুঝতে পেরেছো? Is it clear?
Yes sir, বুঝতে পেরেছি। Yes.
নেক্সট হলো নেক্সট হচ্ছে গিয়ে তোমাদের কি দেখানো যায়, ও আচ্ছা, নেক্সট হচ্ছে গিয়ে, now you can see, let me show you, the thing is that let me come to the point. As you can see, I have used after drawing the base, I have used 1 2 3 4 processes. I have conducted 4 processes. So the total process was 1 2 3 4 5. That is there are 5 processes, but I could shorten this up. I could directly short this up. Let me show you one more how I can shorten. Just give me a sec. Let me get one more page for Onshape. Now I'll draw the same thing just by using simple methods, very simple methods. I don't need to go for any other further things. Just give me a sec. Okay, at first I'll draw only by using front plane. Just see, I'll draw only by using front plane. I'll not use anything. Just see, just click on the front, press sketch, front plane. So what I'll do, again I'll go for the center point. Let us draw like this, anything. Now as you can see, it is 120 and 25. Just ignore for 50 right now. 120 and 25. 120 is the length and 25 is the height. Let me give this one. So let me go for this dime. $120. Next, from here to center, just give one. It is not mandatory, I am just giving it. The second one is this 60 is not mandatory. You can give or you may not also give. This is, I have done only to make it symmetric. So from here to here we know it is 25. 25. Fine. After that what I'll do, I'll go for extrude. Now it will, at first it will be new, though at first it will not be add. Now I'll show where it will be add and what. Just give me a time. Now after that what I'll do, we'll go for symmetry. What is the dimension given? 50. So what I'll do, I'll type 50. 50. Enter. Press on the tick mark. So now see, you can see this one. Now again I'll use the front view. Just front view or the back of the back view, or the back view, or you can say. I'll click on this portion. I'll click on the back portion. I'll click on the back portion. I'll write view normal to. After that what I'll do, I'll sketch. I'll start my sketching by using corner rectangle. The corner rectangle I'll start from anywhere else here. Don't worry. Fine. Then it is given that as we know that it is 25 50. So go for this dimension, click over here to here, it will be 50, 25, enter, and here to here 25. Fine. After that, we also know that from here to this length it is given 75. Now you may ask me how it is 75. There may be a question how it is 75. Now see, it is 50. It is 50 from the center and 25 is the radius. That's why it is 50 plus 25. It is 75. That's why I give 75. Next, what we need to do? Draw a circle. Draw a circle, but just remember the circle should be on the axis as it is showing. Click over here, draw any length, any dimension, again draw another circle, just leave the circle as it is. So go for dimension, again go for dimension. The inner circle is 25 in diameter, 25. Next, it is given R25, that is nothing but R50. Now, as you know, we have drawn this one. What you can do, just use your trim command. Use trim, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Fine. Just use trim. Don't do anything here. Don't go for any other operations. Just trim it. Let computer trim and get the point of intersection. Don't do anything. After that, what you will do? You will go for this extrude command. Go click on the extrude. Now it is showing that it is outside. It is showing that it's new. Don't put new. Click on add. And this is also showing that it is showing red. That means it cannot add because it is getting detached from the main body. You need to reverse the direction. So what you can do, just click on this one, opposite direction. Click on this one, it will fall in this direction. Am I clear? Just press on the right click and it will get. Again I am showing, it will show by default over here. So as you can see, Boolean results in no geometry change. That means it is not possible to add because there is at the edge you cannot put any material. It is not physically possible, not even mathematically possible. That's why it's showing over here. So what you can do, just change the dimension, direction. It will come over here. Click over here. Click on this extrude. Now last but not the least, what you can do is, you can go for fillet. Click over here. Now right here 8. Just click on the fillet. Right here 8. Radius 8. Click on this portion and just rotate and click over here. Done. Press on the right tick mark. See how many operations we did? 1, 2, 3, and see how many procedures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear how you can short this one, short any dimension, any work in a simple path? Is it clear to you people or not?
Yes sir, yes sir.
বুঝতে পেরেছো যে একটা জিনিসকে তুমি চাইলে 10টা স্টেপও লাগাতে পারো, 2টো স্টেপও করতে পারো. The thing is that you need to see how you need to do. Now the next thing is that you need to draw the second one, but using minimum minimum steps. Now why I'm not showing the second one? Because I have seen that you all have done this first one. You all have been stuck on the first one. Most of you have not done the second one. So since I have not got any second diagram, I'll not show yet. You all have to draw this one. Again we'll do the class. Now for which you can understand this one, that how easy this is. Fine. Is it clear to you people? Is it clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, কারো কোনো
প্রথমটা এক্সক্লুড করে নিয়ে আর ওই যে সেই বাদ দেওয়াটা বলছিলাম ওই জন্য ওরকম করে বাদ দিতে হচ্ছিল ওই দিকে। এটা যেহেতু এক্সক্লুড করেনি ফার্স্টে ওই জন্য ওরকম করে মানে কাট করে দেওয়া যায়।
এক্স্যাক্টলি। তো এই তোমরা চেষ্টা করো, তোমরা কিন্তু অনেক কেউ যেমন পার্থ, লেট মি টেল ইউ, পার্থ ডেট, মৃদুল কুণ্ড, ইউ আর নিয়ার অ্যাবাউট, বরুণ সামন্ত, the most of you have been have went till you reached that point. Now try to do for the second one and show me. I need the second one, because in the coming classes, in coming few classes we'll be doing this one, and we'll be getting to know how the mechanical mechanical objects are designed in a company. Because you may have to draw. Now you may ask me, sir, why do I need to do this one? Why you are showing sir this one? As I have told you, this is a 3D printing error. So what you will be doing, you will draw this one, you will send the data to the 3D metal 3D printer or polymer 3D printer. They will print the material. So if it goes wrong, it will be a problem. So because you all have to show the path, because you people have the one of the greatest pillar in engineering industry. So you need to know about this thing, because you may have to draw this one, you may have to visualize this one. This may be the diagram. So for that you have to visualize and you have to produce it. You can produce it by using 3D printer, as I have told you. So you can use this, you can use these things, this type of methods. So any confusion till now? Any confusion?
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বল।
হ্যালো স্যার, বলছি আপনি যে যে প্রশ্নটা যেটা দিয়েছেন ওখানে স্যার কোথাও লেখা আছে স্যার R25 আর কোথাও লেখা আছে স্যার 525, মানে জিনিসটা বুঝতে পারছি
R25 বলতে রেডিয়াস 25, R25 বলতে রেডিয়াস 25।
আচ্ছা স্যার, আর আরেকটা লেখা আছে স্যার 525, ওটা
5 বলতে ডায়ামিটার আছে না, ডায়ামিটারকে ক্রস করলে কিরকম লাগে, একটা সার্কেলকে ক্রস করলে হাউ ইট শোস ইফ ইউ ক্রস if you that's why it's showing that 5.
ঠিক আছে।
Okay, now okay, most
Sir.
okay
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার বলছি 4 নম্বরটা হয়েছে, ওটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো?
পাঠাও, বাট সবাই তো করে ওঠেনি, আমার সবাইটা চাই। আচ্ছা, few of you done the second one, right? Second one. So the thing is that second one is same like this, but there is a small difference. There's small difference. I'll draw in front of you. There's a small difference you have to do. How you can do? You may think that, sir, how to do this one? This is the most important part. There most of you may think how to draw.
কিছু উপরটা ড্রয়িং করে নিচে কি সে মিরর করা যাবে, মানে একই চলে আসবে?
বুঝলাম না কি বললে।
ওই যেটা আপনি করলেন উপরটা তো একই আছে, মানে এটাই তো আছে, এটাকে যদি নিচে থেকে মিরর করি না সেটা আজ হবে না, পসিবল না।
কোনটা মিরর করতে চাইছো, কোন সেকেন্ড ওয়ানটা না ফার্স্ট ওয়ানটা?
সেকেন্ড এই হ্যাঁ এইটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছে গ্রিন
হ্যাঁ বলে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা কিন্তু এই হোলগুলো মিরর করতে পারবে, একটা এখান থেকে এখানে একটা, আর এই মিররটা এখানেও আনতে পারবে। আর এই জিনিসটা এটা কিন্তু স্লট বলে। হাউ টু মেক স্লট, লেট মি গিভ ইউ দ্য হিন্ট, জাস্ট গো থ্রু দ্য হিন্ট, লেট মি শো ইউ দ্য হিন্ট, জাস্ট ওয়েট। হিন্ট, এই স্লটের একটা হিন্ট আছে, আই এম গিভিং ইউ দ্য হিন্ট। হাউ মেনি অফ ইউ নো হাউ টু ড্র দিস ওয়ান? তোমরা কি স্লট বানিয়েছিলে ডিরেক্টলি, না তোমরা অন্যভাবে করেছো?
তারপরে তো হোল বানিয়ে তারপর এক্সট্রুড মানে সার্কেল বানিয়ে তারপর হোল
আমরা মানে ওটা ড্র করে ওটাকে এক্সট্রুড করেছি।
হ্যাঁ, সার্কেল বানিয়ে হোল ক্রিয়েট করেছি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ফাইন। আমি তো হিন্টটা দিচ্ছি, দেখো তো এরকম ভাবে করে পারছো কিনা। সাপোজ এটা একটা পার্ট, ঠিক আছে, এইখানে তোমরা একটা চাইছো যে ইউ নিড টু, আই এম জাস্ট কনসেন্ট্রেটিং অন দিস পার্ট, this one, let me zoom it on this part, this one. So for that how you can do this one, simplest way how you can do this one. so don't worry. So what you can do is what you can do is you can draw this one by using a slot making surface. Let me find out the slot. Where is the slot? Just give me a sec. Okay, slot. Fine. Click on the slot. Now how it works, just see. Slot is something, if you click, just okay. Oh, देखो. Is it visible to you people? Can you see the slot, this one?
হ্যাঁ স্যার মানে স্যার আমি যেখানে ওই স্লটটা হতো সেখানে আমি একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন করবো যে ওই লাইনটার উপর ক্লিক করলেই হয়ে যাবে
এক্স্যাক্টলি এই লাইনের রেসপেক্টেও ড্রয়িং করে নেবে। এখন যদি তোমার স্লটটা ছোট লাগে, ফর এক্সাম্পল আমি একটা ছোট্ট একটা লাইন করলাম, ঠিক আছে, ছোট্ট একটা লাইন করলাম, ছেড়ে দাও। করার পর কি করলাম, এটা এই লাইনটার উপর ক্লিক করলাম, দেখো হয়ে গেল। নাও এখন আসতে পারে, দেয়ার মে বি এ কোশ্চেন, স্যার আই নিড টু চেঞ্জ দ্য দিস diameter. What I can do, just click on the diameter, write 40.
ওটা তো স্যার ডাইমেনশনে ক্লিক করলেই হয়ে যাবে।
The thing will remain same. Is that clear? বোঝা গেছে কি বোঝা যায়নি? Now let me tell you one more thing. Now after drawing the slot, always delete the center line. Don't keep the center line. After let me draw the line slot again. Okay, let me change it to 40. Okay, enter. Left click. What you do is that you just remove this line. Don't keep the line inside. It will confuse the computer and they will show error. So for to eliminate the error, just click on this line. Just click and delete the line. Am I clear? Okay, fine. I need the second one, the first one and second one to be redrawn again, and to show me again. I'll be waiting for your participation, and I need to see how you can draw again by using what else I have given you today. Fine. So that's all for today.